Hello everyone, welcome to another Monopoly Go tutorial video. Now in this tutorial video, I will show you how to change Facebook account on Monopoly Go. So first thing that you have to do is, in order to change Facebook account on Monopoly Go, is to actually unlink your Facebook account on Monopoly Go. So as you can see right here, what you need to do is you need to go to your Facebook and go to settings and privacy menu in Facebook. There you will see apps and websites. So you need to go to the apps and websites, find Monopoly Go, and then remove the Monopoly Go. Now, once you remove it completely, log in into another Facebook account, right? So you will need to log in into another Facebook account. And by the way, if you cannot remove it, just contact the Facebook support. They will be able to help you. Then, as you can see, you will need to go to another Facebook account, log in into that Facebook account on your mobile, right, where you have Monopoly Go, and then make sure to connect it once again. So you can tap on the symbol of the three horizontal lines or the hamburger icon located at the top right corner of the in-game screen, and then you can tap in Facebook Connect button, which is right here. Then if you logged in correctly to another Facebook account, you will be able to change your Facebook account on Monopoly Go very easy. Now guys, if you want to see more videos on this on Monopoly Go, we are uploading 5 videos a day for this. So if you have any questions, or maybe if you want to see more videos, definitely check that out. Thank you guys for watching.